Cement removal agent, manual cleaning. Is it so that you need hard bristles for that as well, or?
Probably helps, depending if it's really harsh. If once you start to, if you have a contamination where you start to not see the module, go for hard bristles. If it's just just a slight layer, you probably can go with a normal brush, because the CRA will break down the cement and lift it from the modules, and you just can rinse it off easily. The way to do it, quite very simple. You get a sprayer, manual, electric, battery operated, or whatever you have in hand. Adjust the dilution, that's a big thing. It's the dilution ratio is not that high, so we advise to do a small test on a panel to see which is the best dilution for your case. Once you have the dilution set in, you put it in the sprayer, you spray it on, you will see the reaction of the product with the cement. Once the reaction is seen, you are able to go with the brush and rinse at the same time. If you use, for example, a rotative brush, it will be quite simple. All the mechanical action of the bristles will really make good work of it, but it's also possible to use a manual brush or a water-fed bowl to brush and rinse. It's quite simple. There's no waiting time for the product to react. Actually, don't let the product dry, because if it dries, the cement will harden up again, and you'll need to reapply CRA to be able to do it. So we advise to work in small sections, especially if the modules are hot. Apply CRA, brush and rinse that section, and then go to another section, and keep doing that until you have all the modules cleaned.
Yeah.